All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to join a Gimkit game and what it's going to look like. This game is very much like quizzes in Kahoot, but it's way more intense. It's very competitive. So right now what I have is my teacher computer, and then I also have my student, which is going to be this screen here. All right, so really quick, you can see my student screen right now. So you are joining on Zoom because we're going to do two games. All right, so we're going to do Gimkit, and there will be prizes and winners for that one. And then we're going to do another game, which you will need your camera for. That's why we're doing it on Zoom. Same thing, winners and prizes for that one as well. All right, so it's going to be a fun day tomorrow. I hope you can join. So let's go ahead and look at my screen here. So you could do what you've been doing, where you have a phone and a computer. However, you just have a laptop or just have a tablet and you want to learn how to split your screen, I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So you see here, whenever I get to the edge of this window, I'm just going to drag that to one place and it's going to make it a smaller screen. So I'm just going to move that to the side. Then I'm going to go to where I would play the game, kind of like where you would type in Kahoot. You see right here, there's this minimize bar, and then you have these two little squares, and then you have this X. So you want those two little squares. It's going to make that screen a little bit smaller. Same thing, you're going to grab the edges and bring it in to whatever size you want. Okay, so you can make Gimkit a little bit bigger or smaller, or the Zoom a little bit bigger and smaller. It's your preference, but that way you get to see the video and the game as well. All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to go to gimkit.com. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my game code on my computer here. It's 78731. All right, I'm going to type that in. And then it's going to ask me for my name. I'm just going to be student. And then I'm actually going to also, oops, sorry, wrong camera. Also going to do it on my phone so we can have multiple players. 78731, and it's going to be student 2. So as I'm kind of logging in here, you can look at what's on the screen. It shows you that whenever you answer questions, you earn cash. When you can also purchase upgrades. So as you're answering questions, you're actually going to be earning money. So for each question you answer right, you earn money. For each question you answer wrong, you lose money. After you get a certain amount of questions correct, then you can start to cash in that money to either help yourself out or maybe even hurt other players. All right. So here we go. Now that we have our 2 players in, we're going to go ahead and start playing. All right, so you're going to have 12 minutes to answer and get as many points as you can. All right. All right, so now you can see this kind of looks very similar, right? So I just earned $1 for that question, so I'm going to continue. Process that takes place as rocks are broken down. I'm going to say, great, I'm going to continue. So I'm going to keep answering these questions, and as you can see, my total is up here. Continue. I got $3 for that one. Okay, so now I have $13. So let's see what I can do with that. I'm going to shop. So over here it says money per question. So I'm going to click on that. So instead of getting $1 or $3 per question, I can now get $5 per question. So that's a pretty good deal, right? So I'm going to go ahead and buy that. Great. All right. So now, let's hope y'all know that one. I'm going to get it wrong. All right, so I lost money for that one. You got to know that one. So there's no correct answer for this one, but here we go. I got more money for that one. All right, so now we see that my money is coming up. So $10. Can I buy anything else? No. Okay. If I ever want to go back to where I was, I click on these 3 little things here, and I can go back to the questions, or I can go back to shopping. Now, the point isn't to be the first one to finish the questions because some of the questions recycle. The point is to get as much money or get more money than your classmates, all right? So you can also do a streak bonus. So once I get $20 here, I can choose to buy that for $15 I'm sorry, I can choose to buy this for $15, and then whenever I get a streak, I get $20 added to my account. Of course, as you get more money, those start to increase as well. You can do insurance. If you get a question wrong, it doesn't take as much money away from your account. Another thing you can do is a multiplier, also to increase the amount of money that you're making. And then power-ups. These are really, really cool. So these power-ups, you have different options, and it tells you the prices here. So it can go from you changing the music that gets played on everyone's screen. You can blur someone else's screen for 15 seconds to help you out. You can, this one's really cool. The icer, it freezes the other players. So if you choose to cash this in, you kind of get ahead and other people have to wait on their time to end. So anyways, there's all these different things that you can buy and actually accumulate money pretty fast once you start being strategic with your money. So you can go back to your questions. And like I said, with each thing, you go up in money. And so you can either choose to shop right there or continue, or you say, oh, wait, no, I really want to go back and shop. So you can actually hold on to that question and just click those little lines and continue on, okay? It's the same thing on your phone. Oh, I hope my brightness isn't too bright. Same thing on your phone. If you choose to have your phone as your controller, it's the same thing. I'm earning money. I can click continue. And then I can click those 3 arrows. And then I can either shop or continue playing there. All right? So you'll have 12 minutes to try to beat everyone out. It's a really, really fun game. It's kind of intense. But like I said, there will be winners. So text your friends, let them know we're doing this. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. And then we'll do another quick little game before we head out. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Turn your cameras on.